Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am here in a Fargo Village, which is a very famous place for the students, and I have been thinking to come to this place from a very long time, and today I have literally dragged myself from home to the bus stop. Now I got down from the bus. Now I'm walking down towards the Fargo Village, because from the bus stop it says 4 minutes from bus stop to the Fargo Village, and there they have amazing and a delicious street food restaurant. See this, you can see I'm going, it shows this way, so I'm going. And there are a lot of small stores where you find very affordable stuffs. So let's go and check it out. Here I start my walk. This entire stretch is a Fargo Village. Here let me first show you this. How does this street looks? It's a kind of an old street. As I have told you, it's an amazing place for students. Here I found one interesting store, which is a Dubai gate, because let me go in and check it out if they have something for me. Here I did not find much of the things, so I'm just going on. You can hire a fancy dress costumes here. I think there are so many, but I don't think so I would be going inside. that's it for today, guys. If you like my today video, give me a big thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel, and please do share my channel with your friends and family, and I'll see you in my next video, maybe with another vlog with something more exciting happening things in Coventry. Till then, you guys take good care of yourself, eat healthy, stay healthy. Bye bye.